I wanted to show you how to use Loom so that you can screen record. This is actually a recording made with Loom. So the first thing you want to do is to go to the Chrome web store. You can type that right in the browser. For ease, I typed it in here, and you want to look at your extensions. And then you're going to type in Loom. Now, I already have Loom, so it doesn't say add to Chrome. It just says rate it. But since I'm already using it, I don't have that. So you will add it as an extension, and then usually your extensions live right up here. If you click this little button, you'll see all the other ones, and then you can tell that I'm using Loom right here. So some tips for using Loom: make sure you know what you want to say and that things are working. For this video that I'm making right now, this is my second take because I ran into some issues going to the Chrome web store. Sometimes I make talking points, but I don't actually make a script, and that is because I want it to sound more natural. So sometimes I have a second screen open and I put on just a list of things that maybe I want to make sure I mention, but not so like it's a script. And then when you're done, you hit the stop sharing button and it will create your video. This is the video. You'll see it's untitled. So you want to go up here and change the title. And then you have some options over in this part of your screen. You can share it, publish it right to YouTube. You can get an embed code, or you can download it. Now, if you're going to download it, I would recommend that you download it, export it as an MP4. This is because then you'll be able to use it in web editing. And you'll see what I mean, because I'm going to take this video and I'm going to add it to this video that I made. So it's just one video, so you have all the instructions. If you have a YouTube channel, you can publish it right to YouTube. So when it downloads, it will go into your downloads folder on your drive. If you want to put it into Google Drive, you can move it that way so you have it forever. So those are the first steps, the intro into Loom. And I don't know if you noticed, but it said somewhere that it was a limited account. Recently, Loom just upgraded for free accounts for educators. So it's unlimited and not cut down to a short amount of time. All right, it's a lot of fun. The kids like seeing your face, and if you're enthusiastic and stuff, they enjoy that as well.